in the state of Gujarat, the only institute in India dedicated to biotechnology research and innovation. Be with us till end of this video to know more about admission, placement and campus life of GBU. The GBU has been established in partnership with the University of Edinburgh, following the curriculum and research as per international standards. Let's now meet with the GBU students. So welcome everyone. Today we are at new campus, and as you can see to my back, we are at Gujarat Biotechnology University, and it is in Gujarat state in Gandhinagar. So we have the GBU students with us, so maybe let's first begin with a quick intro with them.
So my name is Aparna Sahu and I am from Industrial Biotech Department.
I am Anjali Talade and I am also from Industrial Biotech Department.
Myself Rakesh Kumar Sharma and I am from Plant Biotechnology Department.
I am Preetham Naskar and I am from Industrial Biotechnology Department.
Friends, you can see here कि to my back we have the indoor sports section. जहाँ की they have PT of course, and they have also the gym facility. And towards our left, then we have the squash court. But at the moment they have converted it into a form of like sitting, maybe for meeting you for that purpose. And then towards our back we also have the canteen facility. You can see कि यहाँ पे they have the sitting facility, and this is the students have their meal. Above the floor we have then classrooms and lab facilities and other things. फ्रेंड्स, आप लोग देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे कुछ इवेंट्स भी होते रहते हैं. यू कैन सी यहाँ पे रंगोली सेलिब्रेट उन्होंने किया है कॉम्पिटिशन, और 6 मार्च का इनका फाउंडेशन डे. एंड हियर यू कैन सी दिस इज द ग्राउंड फ्लोर, और ये फिर फर्स्ट फ्लोर है, देन देयर इज सेकंड फ्लोर एज वेल.
Courses are like Masters in Biotechnology, PhD are provided by Gujarat Biotech University, and there are 5 departments which is decided upon your semester marks after you get admitted.
We have basically 5 department over here. Medical biotechnology, animal biotechnology, plant biotechnology, industrial biotechnology and environmental biotechnology.
So what all are the facilities in our campus here?
फैसिलिटीज़ फर्स्ट क्लास फैसिलिटीज़ का मैं बोलूँगा रिसर्च इंस्ट्रूमेंटल फैसिलिटीज़, और सेकंड फैसिलिटीज़ अदर एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम की जो फैसिलिटीज़ है. रिसर्च के बेसिस पे हाई टेक न्यू एडवांस ऑलमोस्ट जो बायोटेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हैं वो है यहाँ पे. एक बड़ी सी लिस्ट है उसकी, खैर बोलूँगा तो ज़्यादा डिटेल हो जाएगा. और स्पोर्ट्स एंड म्यूज़िक के लिए प्रॉपर यहाँ पे सब कुछ है. इंडोर गेम्स हैं, आउटडोर गेम्स हैं पर्टिकुलर.
ऑडिटोरियम भी है हमारे इधर, और अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑडिटोरियम हमारे क्लासरूम्स भी लाइक स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट है.
Percentage of students who are from Gujarat state?
It's like 20%.
20%.
Oh, okay. And the rest 80% are from other states.
Other
Like,
states.
So like how to take admission here?
फॉर एडमिशन नेशनल लेवल के एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम होते हैं, गेट बी के थ्रू होता है, जो कि डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी कंडक्ट करवाता है. उसके थ्रू यहाँ पे होता है, और उसमें स्कोर फिलअप करने होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को, और उसके बेसिस पे एंट्रीज होती है.
Can you name the university in which the GBU is in collaboration with?
The university with which GBU is in direct collaboration is University of Edinburgh, which is in Scotland.
Okay.
And GBU, UOE and GBU works together strategically to develop the curriculum, to develop the infrastructure environment over here, everything.
Further talking about the like foreign university collaborations, so like how it is for you guys?
25 out of 100 students were sent to UAE for their research experience for 3 months, and all costs from visa applications to flight to scholarship,
transport, everything
was carried by GBU itself and the state government. So that is one of the main or important thing to be mentioned, and that's it.
And apart from that, faculties from Edinburgh also visits here regularly. They take our classes, and even our curriculum is jointly developed by the faculties of GBU and the faculties of University of Edinburgh. So like we follow a curriculum which is like world class, or which is being followed in the countries like Europe,
Right.
in the European countries.
So like rough idea, like what is the fee structure of here, like academic?
For fees structure, it is for first semester it is around 41,000. Then for other 3 semesters it is 31,500. and for other students, other category wise, it is deducted or have some
Relaxation.
concession.
So like what all are the scholarship options available for you?
NSP नेशनल स्कॉलरशिप पोर्टल यूज फॉर अस एंड वहाँ पे सब स्टूडेंट अप्लाई कर सकते हैं जो
Okay.
का एलिजिबिलिटी हो उसमें. और सेकंड थिंग गुजरात BST का भी इस प्रोग्राम को सपोर्ट किया गया है, तो 10,000 MSc स्टूडेंट्स को भी
Per month.
मिलता है पर मंथ, वो भी है एडिशन.
How are the placement opportunities here?
भी बहुत सारी प्लेसमेंट्स हुई गई हैं. परसेंटेज वाइज तो नहीं कह सकते, पर काफ़ी प्लेसमेंट्स हुई हैं. डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस, डिफरेंट इंस्टीट्यूट, ये कंपनीज आती है, इंटास आता है, जाइडस आता है. एंड रिसेंटली वी आर एक्चुअली सेकेंड बैच, सो वी रिसेंटली हैड आवर प्लेसमेंट कॉन्फ्रेंस एंड इंडस्ट्री मीट.
Rough idea, like what was the like maximum package and the average package in the last placement?
Last placement, it could range from highest was about 5 to 6 lakhs, and for the minimum it was around 2.5 to 3.
So like how are the research facility here? Like
It is from the first of interview we are saying that the facilities that are present here for research are top notch, and every instrument from sequencer to fast protein chromatography to HPLC, GC, we have most of the equipment that is very essential to do those experiments and to learn also.
do we have a hostel facility here?
This is a new university, so at this moment we don't have the hostel facilities, but GBU provided us amended hostel, private hostels where we can stay, and they also provide us 5,000 rupees extra to stay, to compensate that payment or that
We are
fees.
given 5,000 extra along with our fellowship. That is the 5,000 for
GADB
as a
scholar.
GADB fellowship and 5,000 for our hostel accommodations and those things.
To 10 for campus life here.
It would be 7, 8.
6.
Okay.
8.
Cool.
7.
7.5.
Okay.
Yeah, 7.
Okay, we can take it as average. Placement and opportunity.
Placement and opportunity 7.
Okay.
8.
8.5.
Okay.
8. 8.5. 8.5.
Academics.
9.
Yes. Same. 9.
Okay.
9, 10.
Oh my god. I think that's all from the campus of GBU, and I hope you people liked it. So if you people have any other further like comments or queries, of course you can comment it down in our channel, and of course we have the students of GBU with us, so you can also reach out to them. We will provide the link to you. So that's all for today from the campus tour of GBU. See you in our next video. Till then, subscribe, like and share. Excited to see what amazing things the young GBU students will accomplish. Best of luck in your future, guys. Let us also know if you want to call us in your campus for the campus video. Meanwhile, join our group to discuss all your queries about the campus. Link in description.